Hi, welcome to Rallio. In this video, we talk about how to set up a mixer for the first time. A mixer is a recurring event that happens every week at a certain time, and based on your facilities, people can join a wait list and then you can run a schedule and match up later on. As you can see on screen at the moment, we have a mixer I have already joined, but there are actually quite a few mixers at the club. We can toggle those via the sports, and I can join these sessions. Now I can join these sessions because I'm a manager, so I have unlimited access, but these are gated based on ability and, if you want, gender. Box leads have to be set up on the website, not via the app. They have to be provisioned by the club admin, and that is by going to templates and adding a mixer. Now we have quite a lot of settings to set up for a mixer because they're a weekly template. So this one might be called Funny Friday. Generally they're quite fun events, and it's tennis, and it's on a Friday, and it's at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it lasts 2 hours. Here we can set which courts are provisioned by default. So in this case, we only ever use courts 4, 5 and 6 for the mixing, and that's what allows us to set up a queue. We can increase the court number as a manager, but generally we always stick with these 3 courts. The minimum rank for access, in this case, it's all ranks. It's a mix-in, so it's a mixed gender. We can also set whether or not this is a private session, so invite only. And by setting a manager, they're the person that get the notifications about sign-ins, sign-ups and dropouts, and whether or not you've got enough players to fill the courts. So let's create that template. We can see it's already there, and if we go back to the sessions, we should see Funny Friday. It's at the bottom of the list because it's the furthest away at the moment, and I can either directly join it, and as a manager I can also go in and change those courts. I can share this session with players across WhatsApp. I can manually add players, and once people have signed up, I can copy the player list, paste it into an email or WhatsApp or messages. If I join this session and I click manage, you'll see that I'm here, highlighted orange because there's not enough players in this set. If I start adding some players, we will see that will fill up, and then we'll also see a reserve list get built. The rest of the process for managing mixing can happen on the app. You can, as a manager, you can select the courts, you can share the session, you can add the players, and you can remove players, and you can also move the sign-up order around in case that's something that needs to be done. And then you generate the match. Highlights where 2 people have played before. Maybe this just needs a small adjustment. Maybe it needs larger adjustment. Green means this is a mixed pair. This means that there is a same-sex pair playing together. You may want to change that now. It might be impossible because of the way the amount of players that have joined. We've got 10 male and 6 female. So there may always be a bit of an imbalance across the sets. You can see here these are the games, and then we can mark how we got on, purely for fun.